How to recover a deleted Discord account. Deleted your Discord account but had second thoughts? You can recover it within 14 days. Just log back into the account before the deletion date and you'll see an option to restore account. Click that and your account will be fully reactivated along with your servers, DMs and history. If the 14-day window has passed, recovery is not possible and the account is permanently deleted. In that case, you need to create a new one. Enable email notifications so you'll be reminded before your deletion finalizes. Have you ever recovered a deleted account? Share your story in the comments below. Quick action is key. If you act fast, you can get your account back with no losses. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.